You recognize him, don't you? Your brother.
Wait, to Lisbon?
Just made it, sir. Yes, sir. I'll hop on a call right away. 今日は晴れ. Today's sunny. 暑い. It's hot. But I think it's too loud for a call here. So, sir, I've made it to Lisbon. The flight was long, but I'm ready to get started.
Good to hear, Agent Carlos. Now listen, we've got some extra help for you on this mission. The Japanese government has provided us with an advanced AI.
An AI? How does it work?
It's called Sushi AI, and it only speaks Japanese, but it can help you track down clues related to Kuro Shogun.
こんにちは、Sushi AI.
こんにちは、エージェントカルロス。
So, Sushi AI can help me find where Kuro Shogun is hiding?
That's right, Agent Carlos. It will guide you through Lisbon, but in Japanese.
I'll find my twin brother. Okay, I'll send the data to Sushi AI. Sushi AI, データです。
データ分析中。エージェントカルロス。チェックリストです。1、公園に行く。
Okay, so the first one is 公園に行く. 公園 means park. に means to. And 行く is to go. 公園に行く. Go to the park. に means to or towards, as in 公園に行く. But it can also mean on, as in エレベーターに乗る. Hop on the elevator. 寿司 AI スーパーに行く
スーパーに行かない。
That's right. If we want to make it a negative form of a verb that finishes in u, we take out the u and add あない。スーパーに行かない。カフェに行く。エッグタルトを食べる。コーヒーを飲む。美味しかった。That was delicious. English doesn't use a word to refer to the direct object, but Japanese does. The direct object is the thing we do, as in what we eat or what we drink. The direct object particle is o in Japanese. コーヒーを飲む drink coffee. 寿司 AI チキンを食べる
チキンを食べない。
That's right. Verbs that finish in u, in order to make their negative form, we take out the u and add anai. But verbs that finish in do, we're gonna take out the do and add nai. チキンを食べない。チキンを見る。鶏を聞く。トラムに乗る。Kuro Shogun must be lurking around somewhere. What should I do? 人を聞く。人を聞く。